Now, if square root of a on b plus square root of b on a equals 10 on 3, find ab if the sum of a and b is 10. Solution. Now we are given square root of a b plus that of b on a as 10 on 3. Now, when we are given square root of x on y, is the same as square root of x on square root of y. So this side will be square root of a over square root of b plus square root of b over square root of a, 10 on 3. Now let's find the sum of the left hand side. So it should be the LCM. So the LCM will be the product of that. So square root of b and that of a. Okay. So b, square root of b in the LCM will give us square root of a. Multiplied by a will be square root of a squared. Okay. Plus, so a in the square root of a, and will cancel with a. We have it this one times itself will be square root of b squared equals 10 on 3. Let's verify. Okay. So this side will cancel. The side will cancel. We'll have it a plus b on, so square root of ab equals 10 on 3. But the question says find ab if a plus b is 10. So a plus b is 10. So let's put 10 here. And square root of ab, 10 on 3. Now we can do cross multiplication. So that will be 30 equals 10 square root of ab. Divide both sides by 10. So we have 3 equals the square root of ab. Therefore, getting ab, we have to get rid of the square root sign by squaring both sides. This one will cancel. 9 equals to ab. As simple as that. Alright, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.